How can one oak log become both a luxury wine barrel and a tiny matchstick? Let's find out. Each log is inspected before cutting. Hidden cracks can ruin the final product. Powerful saws slice the logs into thick wooden boards with remarkable precision.
The boards are dried slowly. Controlled moisture prevents future cracking.
Only the finest oak is chosen for premium wine barrels.
Skilled workers shape each wooden stave with incredible accuracy. Toasting the inside gives wine unique flavors and aromas. Smaller leftover wood begins a completely different journey. Machines slice thin wooden strips at high speed. Every stick is polished for a smooth and even finish. Quality inspectors remove damaged pieces before packaging. Wood dust and scraps are recycled instead of being wasted. From vineyards to kitchens, oak serves everyday life in surprising ways. One tree, two remarkable products. Which process surprised you the most?